Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and we're just going to do a quick close-up look at the first super treasure hunt and first regular treasure hunt of 2024 from Hot Wheels. And I got lucky this past week, and I found 3 supers and 6 regulars. So the super for the A case is this guy here, your Ford Escort RS2000. And it's done in a like a candy green, I guess you could call it Spectre Flame green, but it's, I don't know, it kind of looks candy to me, like an emerald green. Looks really cool. It's somewhat is blotchy here and there on most of them, but it still looks good, even up close. Like, but if you start handling it under the light and stuff, you can start finding imperfections in it. I guess that's why Hot Wheels chooses to use like tampos on a lot of their cars with the Spectre Flame paint. At least the $1 main line, so they cover up some of the flaws, I guess. But anyways, this is still a really cool looking car with the mini light, Watanabe style wheels, whatever you like to call them, 10 spokes. They look really good on the car. The wide body looks really good. The stance, everything. Detailed tail lights and detailed headlights really set it off too. Details on the hood, casted inside mirrors and stuff. This is a great car to have as a super. So, and the details made it even better. So, great looking car. And this is one of the ways you can tell if it's a US release card. Is on the US J-Hook, they will always have this guaranteed forever, guaranteed for life. The international cards will not have that. And then on the back, it's a little different on the print of the international card too. That's kind of a giveaway. And then your assortment, your US assortment is always the L2953. The international, there's 2, I think, and then one of them C4, blah, 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 something like that. But yeah, you'll have some other like warnings and other things on the card that we do not have on the US card. So I wanted to point that out too. And then for your regular, I actually like this one the best. This one is a little bit of a paint flaw on the side here. Actually, let me see if I can find one real quick that does not have the flaw on it. To show you guys, yeah, here is one. So yeah, the one with the flaw, as you can see, it has that little spot on the door, or not really door, it's rear quarter. But this is your Fleetliner fastback 47 Chevy, done up like an old police car. The black and white looks really cool. The way the door handle is made, it almost looks like a gun. Pretty cool. And then the 6-point star, or I'm sorry, is it 6 or 7-point star on the door? Has the visor and such, really cool. And I like the wheel and tire that they offered on it with the white walls, and it looks like it's separated from the wheel and such. It's really a nice looking regular treasure hunt. So kind of excited to see what else is offered for regulars this year. Last year wasn't a bad year either. It was actually pretty decent. We had a lot of cool 4x4 trucks in the lineup of regular treasure hunts last year, so it kind of brought back memories of like 10 years ago. So this year also they're kind of bringing back like the era of like when they were just starting the super hidden, like secret supers, and then the regular treasure hunts. They were still cool back in like 2012, I think it was 2013, and then after 13 they started to decline. But last year, and so it started to pick up a little bit. So hopefully we keep seeing cars like this come out. So those are your first 2 for 2024, guys. So this regular variant I didn't pick up, but it is like in a mint green, the regular color. It's like a, not really lime. To me, it looks more mint, like between a mint and a lime green color. So that's the regular variant, and it has the traditional like 5-spoke black walls on it, like basically they're just your old school style 5-spoke Hot Wheels plastic wheels on it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the middle of your week, and we'll be back on Friday for Free It Friday, and we're going to be cracking open my top 3 mainline picks for 2023. I picked 3 new releases that came out through the year, and we'll crack them open. They're still sealed, and take a close-up look at them. They're pretty cool models, so that's why I'm dedicating the video to them on Friday. So thanks again for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week.